Hello guys, welcome back to our video. And naalala nyo nung post-ending ng Bad Blood, no, after manalo ni Roman Reigns at saka ni Cody Rhodes kay Solo Sikoa at kay Jacob Fatu, no, di ba dumating si The Rock, no? Dumating si The Rock and nakita ni The Rock na ka-team ni Roman Reigns si Cody Rhodes. And technically, yung itsura ni The Rock, yung expression niya is hindi siya parang problemado siya, parang hindi siya masaya. Like, why are you teaming with Cody Rhodes, diba? Bakit ka nakakapag-team kay Cody Rhodes, diba? Yun yung yung nasa isip niya or yung expression sa mukha niya. And then, of course, yung hard camera nag-zoom sa mukha ni The Rock, and then he do the people's eyebrow, and then technically yung gesture na ginawa niya is 3, 2, 1. Nag-hit yung music and seemingly nothing happens. Yun lang. Now, nalaman ko lang to as per report by Fightful Select na yung dahilan kung ba't nag-appear si The Rock sa Bad Blood is basically means they wanted to get The Rock on TV lang, no, for an incredible ending. Yun lang talaga yung purpose ni The Rock, kaya siya nag-appear sa Bad Blood, just to get him on TV. No, walang nangyari. Yun lang, nag people's eyebrow, like 3, 2, 1, and then yes, the music hits. And then, all good. Now, yun yung dahilan kung bakit nag-appear si The Rock sa Bad Blood. Now, just to get The Rock on TV. WWE did nothing on the fly just to get The Rock on TV. The Rock getting on TV was not on the plans, man. Pero ginawa lang nila just to get The Rock on TV. To get Bad Blood a huge ending. So, yun lang naman. Anong masasabi nyo dito, guys? Dahilan kung bakit nag-appear si The Rock sa Bad Blood for no reason, dahil sa kagawan lang ng WWE ito. Let me know in the comments below. And for more wrestling news and mga usapang gaming, follow nyo na ako dito sa YouTube and TikTok. Peace out!